Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 5.12. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has performed better than our system predicted, with a gain of 5.28%. This translates to an average return of 1.76% per day since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $104.79 is breached, it could initially indicate a slower pace of growth and may serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The prevailing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 27.72% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 22.55% to 77.17%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a substantial change of 178.54% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 159.99% and 274.48%. This corresponds to a price range of $283.94 to $408.97 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia highlights a significant fluctuation in the stock price on Thursday, which concluded trading at $109.21. On that day, Nvidia's stock price experienced a decline of 6.67%, dropping from $117.02 to $109.21. During the trading session, the stock varied by 12.50%, reaching a low of $106.81 and a high of $120.16. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 9.81%. Trading volume surged by 50 million shares on this day, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 507 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $55.401 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $140.76 and its lowest price of $39.23. Presently, the stock price stands 22.41%, or $31.55, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia's stock experienced significant volatility today, following a major sell-off driven by broader economic concerns and uncertainty about a potential recession. This downturn follows an impressive rise, where Nvidia added a record $329 billion in market value just yesterday. Investors are now reassessing the stock's momentum, particularly after the U.S. Day. Department of Justice announced an investigation into Nvidia's acquisition of the artificial intelligence startup Run AI on antitrust grounds. While some analysts suggest that the current dip may present a buying opportunity, given Nvidia's prior explosive growth, the immediate outlook remains cautious. Economic indicators and the Federal Reserve's recent decisions not to cut interest rates have contributed to today's bearish sentiment, affecting not only Nvidia, but the broader market as well. In the longer term, Nvidia's dominance in the artificial intelligence and semiconductor sectors may position it favorably despite today's turbulence. However, regulatory scrutiny could weigh on investor sentiment and stock performance in the near term. Investors will need to keep a close eye on these developments as they navigate Nvidia's trajectory amid fluctuating market dynamics. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024, RBC Capital rated NVDA as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated NVDA as a buy with a hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also gave NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Monday, Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock an overall neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell designation. In terms of return on investment, analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Nvidia stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which points to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two averages indicates a general sell signal, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $111.59 and $123.43. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 18, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 20%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages offered a buy signal 177 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia finds support from accumulated volume at $103.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.35 between its high and low, representing a change of 12.5%. The average daily volatility of the stock has been 7.41%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 64 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $109.63. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $103.80. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huang Zhenshun, who bought and sold 118,830 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 latest insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 99.601. Overall, insiders purchased no shares and sold 1,942,603 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Currently, the Nvidia stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Nvidia's performance may remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a sell to a strong sell. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of August, we expect Nvidia to open with an increase of $2.85, starting at $112.06. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.